Hello, how you doing? Just going to knock up this very quick sausage fried rice. Welcome back to How to Cookery. Okay, so I've got 6 cups of cooked rice, 3 cups of sausage, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 2 cups of onion, and just there I've got a teaspoon, or just over in fact, of the following 4: chili powder, paprika, cumin, and oregano. Okay, the rice. Now I always just like to use cold cooked rice. That was cooked yesterday, been in the fridge, just cooks a little bit nicer, fries nicer than other hot kind of, warm rice. Sausages. Now this is from a barbecue that we had, and we had some excess, so I've got 2 types of sausage in there. They're both chicken, one spicy, one not spicy. Any sausage works, vegetable, beef, turkey, blah blah blah, whatever you like. So I'm just kind of using that up. So very simply, let's get to the cooker, get this going. It's fantastic. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, comment and all that stuff, will ya? Okay, so you're going to need a kind of wok or kind of large skillet. In there I've got some oil. You can use any oil you want. I've got about 3 tablespoons of oil there. I'm using sunflower. In goes our 2 cups of onion, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. And we're going to get our sausage in now. So this sausage is cooked. Like I say, I just sort of use this. This is from a barbecue that we had the other day. And, well, when I say the other day, last night. So just didn't want to waste them, so we're going to make a kind of decent little rice. We're going to add some salt to this and black pepper. And like I say, my sausages are, well, there's 2 types in there, but both are chicken. One spicy, one not spicy, but anything works, doesn't it? Anything you like. So as you can see in here, one on above medium heat, fairly high. We're going to go for 4 minutes. So simple. Right, let's get in there and have a look at these spices. So what I've got is just over a teaspoon each of cumin, oregano or oregano, whatever you call that, chili powder and paprika. I'm using sweet paprika. Be careful with paprika because there's 3 types normally of paprika. Smoked, which is really delicious, sweet, which is what this is, and hot. If you're using hot paprika, it's basically like chili powder, so you'd be putting 2 lots of chili powder in now, which you don't want to do. Fabulous stuff. Let's get our rice in. So 6 cups of rice, and what we're going to do is we're going to stay on this lively heat, and we're going to go for 5 minutes or so, stirring away. Actually want to fry the rice. Delicious, easy peasy, a great meal that we've got here from nothing. Fabulous stuff. So look, if you wanted, I've just turned the heat off by the way. If you wanted, you could have done some other vegetables in there, put some bell peppers in or something like that, bulk it out a bit more. Cilantro, nice kind of decent handful, or coriander, depending on where you come from. 1 mix, job done, beautiful. Okay, job done, really simple. Like I say, nice kind of budget meal, and like I say, for me, I had those sausages left over anyway, so great stuff. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well, see you soon. Lots of love. Well, thanks for getting to the end of the video. Now, look, I just want to tell you about this other channel that I've got. It's called Simon Bellyful. It's me basically going out different places in the world where I get opportunity to go to. I'm eating, seeing people, meeting people, seeing what's happening around there. So if you're into that sort of thing, have a little look at it. See you later.